Hello everybody. Today we're going to talk about how to add a DKIM record in Namecheap. Step number 1, log into your Google Workspace. Step number 2, go to settings for Gmail and click Authenticate Email. Step number 3, select your domain and click on Generate New Record. Step number 4, keep the default settings to generate the record for DKIM key bit length 2048 and prefix selector Google. Go to your Namecheap Advanced DNS page and click Add New Record. Go to your Google Workspace, copy the generated TXT value, and paste it into Namecheap's DNS. Click Save All Changes, then go back to your Google Workspace authentication page and click Start Authentication. It may take up to 48 hours for DKIM to fully propagate. And that's it. Thanks for watching.